Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to add or how to create a post on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now wherever you are on the following section or the discover, you have this icon of this pen right here in the bottom. So click on it, and here you can add your photo or anything you want to write right here, and then just click post, and it's gonna be posted. So that's it. That's how to create a post on Bluesky easy and quickly. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.